sinking legs. This is why your legs are sinking. Watch me.
Oh, so it sinks when you're back.
As soon as I put my arms down by my side, my legs sunk. Watch this. This is also very interesting, very cool.
Picture that. And so he's floating.
My legs came right back up as soon as I stretched all the way back out into 4 quadrants. Pretty cool, right? The correct body posture in water is 4 quadrants, okay? So your hands should always be in front of you for the most part as far as basic swimming is concerned, because this helps balance you. Okay, instead of arms out to the side, like if you were on a balanced beam in water, you want your arms straight in front of you. Okay, and quadrant number 1 of your balance of your body line that's balanced is from fingertips to head. Quadrant number 2 is from head to upper back. Quadrant number 3 is upper back to lower back, or your glutes. And then quadrant number 4 are your legs. But far too often people swim in quadrants 2, 3, and 4 by letting their elbows bend too close to their head. There's no more balance out front now. You can leave quadrant 1 too easily. Okay, so it's important that you stick them out in front, not just put them out in front, but push them out in front. Push. Okay, stay in quadrant 1. When you're using the kickboard, remember to keep your arms stretched. Hold it at the top too. Some people are holding it weird. Those are for drills. When you're just holding the kickboard, hold it at the top, hands close together, and push your arms forward so you feel your shoulders go underwater, and then start kicking. Eventually your feet will come up, but what you don't want to do is press down on the board or bend your elbows. I want to do this. You won't be able to stay up, you won't be able to balance. Push it out in front and let your kick become the motor on a boat. If you found this video helpful, make sure you splash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for free, become a member today. We're gonna be increasing the price of the membership soon. Also go ahead and follow us on the other social medias that are like Instagram and TikTok and all the other ones. Buy some merch. We are keeping one color each year, but every 4 years, as you just saw, we did our red color version. So if you missed that, sorry, you're gonna have to wait till the LA Olympics in 2028. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm Jonny Rocket, and let's get swimming.